Hello, guys. Today we have Pete the Kitty and the case of the hiccups. So, Pete the Kitty is very similar to our favorite Pete the Cat, and it's also by James Dean, who also writes and illustrates Pete the Cat. Hiccup. Oh no! Pete has the hiccups. Hiccup, hiccup. How do you stop the hiccups? Have you ever had hiccups? It's kind of annoying, isn't it? Pete asks Grumpy Toad, "How do I stop my hiccups?" "I know," says Grumpy Toad. "You stand on one foot." Pete stands on one foot. Hiccup. Pete still has the hiccups. That didn't work. Pete asks Callie, "How do I stop my hiccups?" "I know," says Callie. "You stand on one foot and hop up and down." Have you ever tried that? Standing on one foot and then hopping up and down? Pete stands on one foot and he hops up and down. Hiccup, hiccup. Pete still has the hiccups. Pete asks Gus, "How do I stop my hiccups?" "I know," says Gus. "You stand on one foot and hop up and down and sing a song." I wonder what song he'll sing. Pete stands on one foot. He hops up and down. He sings a song. Hiccup, hiccup, hiccup. Pete still has the hiccups. Didn't work. Pete asks Bob, "How do I stop my hiccups?" "I know," says Bob. "You stand on one foot and hop up and down and sing a song and rub your belly," says Bob. Pete does it. On a surfboard even. Well, certainly that will cure his hiccups, right? Hiccup? Nothing is working. Pete still has the hiccups. "Go ask Mom," says Bob. Moms usually know what to do, right? I wonder if Pete's mom will help him. Pete asks, "Mom, how do I stop my hiccups?" "I know," says Mom. "You take a deep breath." Pete takes a deep breath. Do that with me. Hold your breath and blow it out. Pete holds his breath. Oh, look at you got the little. Pete blows his breath out. "That's it?" Pete asks. "That's it," says Mom. Sometimes a nice deep breath is really all you need. Did it work? Pete waits, and he waits, and he waits. No hiccups. Does that mean they're gone? The hiccups are gone. Moms are so smart. I liked that book. It was nice, short, simple, and it's true. Moms are the best. They know everything. So go give your mom a big hug, okay? Have a great day, guys.